since you've already got it hooked to the nid. So just going to take your Phillips, unscrew these bottom red-green lugs. You got that pulled off. And Derek will go hook the blue-white wire in the nid. So we're going to use the blue-white for the bottom 2 pins here. Take the snips, strip it back. You got some needle noses. And then you got the blue that goes to the red. And now you're hot on those 2 pins. Now keep in mind, if you are bonded, you will take the orange white and it will go to the yellow black pins if you're using a surface biscuit jack. And once you do that, it's done. You just take your wire. Since we're already doing one, just wrap it up in here. A lot of people just cut it off. I like to wrap it. That way if you need an extra wire at some point, you got one. And it just lays in there. That's it. That's all you have to do on that one.